honey.
This Poppit the bastard. He's just sleeping. He was running upside down the cage.
How could he do that?
I don't know.
Come on, do something, Poppit.
Every time we put a camera on him, he doesn't do anything. It's really bad. Come on, Poppit. You should eat one. Don't turn your camera on, it's so boring.
What is he doing?
No. I can't back up. I'm going to scream before I go again. Really hates that camera, doesn't he?
He is comfortable though, in this cage.
Hold the camera and focus for a second. Remember you played the thing you did today.
Yeah, that's the cockatiel singing.
Yeah.
Bobby and Poppit.
Poppit's fine. Bobby's not scared of the camera. Yeah,
You think if I would put this on YouTube, I'd get more views than you?
Quite like it.
Why do you like it?
Ooh, you stick your hand in this place, not that. You angry at me? You don't like me? Okay, stop that. You won. This seems funny. Yum, yum, yum. Nice. Don't like it after that. You like cheese, I know, from the food bowl. Yummy.
And Poppit has a peg on the floor.
Bobby's eating. Bobby's eating. Bobby's eating good. Oh, what's happening with Poppit? He's going crazy.
I'm filming them both.
This is Nutter. Nutter, I call him that. He looks Nutter.
Keep swinging, keep swinging, keep swinging. How doesn't that annoy you? Everything else, like tapping and...
It's because the bird does it.
Pardon me?
Swinging
Because the bird does it.
How's he gonna get up this way? Yay! Poppit bird!
It's really comfy there.
Yeah.
Somehow.
Lie down!
That's how I back it.
He's tiny nursing left. He's back. He's sliding down. Look, he's slowly sliding down. This is cute. Bobby.
Yeah, he's just tweeting.
But he cute.
But he
Tell me
cute.
what you're doing, Pop.
Oh look, a spotted beard man on YouTube.
Yeah. You're pretty bored. That's how they say it. I copy the way they say it.
I don't know why I'm even filming this.
So cute. Pop. Your favorite big type of food. Actually, the green one. Can I get a green one?
Yeah.
Your favorite food bowl? Do you like it? Yummy yum, Bobby's saying to his favorite bit out of his food bowl, which is fruity. You like your fruit? Yeah. never do YouTube videos which are terrible. My name is Julia, but because I just want to have a few. And they're very terrible.
You can have this video, Kim. I don't know.
Can I?
Whatever. If you want, I'm not gonna put it on YouTube. Well, maybe, I don't know. I want to make game videos.
Poppit just got the new cage. I just made it.
Yep. They are both arguing in the big one, and you didn't make this cage.
I did, I put it together. You put it together. You didn't put it on. Really put it on.
Okay, so you put the sides on, and the top. That's not making it, Kim. That's assembling it.
Yes, still building it. Something. Little bit minutes. Fatty bird like me minutes. He doesn't actually eat it so far. He's not interested in it. So, totally nice.
Sam, shall I put this on YouTube and see if I get more views than Kim?
Quickly, go and Kim over. And then wait on anything so you can tell more.
No, this will be linked in the description then to you or something. Or on the screen with a pop-up. I don't know yet.
Poppit's used to us. He's just in a new cage. His favourite ball. Now, I think this is going to be his favourite. For you girls. This is also his favourite from that cage. I just look at that.
I thought birds didn't like being like tiny, close walls.
No, they don't.
Why does he do it then?
Because he's around with that Poppit and they hate each other very much. And when Poppit was asking for help from this one today, which is a very angry bird, aren't you? He just ignored him and basically told him to shut up.
He's opening his mouth at you.
He's so cute. He doesn't like me too much. He likes me feeding him though. The only thing he does. He doesn't like anyone in this house. He's an angry bird.
That's because we locked him up in his cage for a few days.
I forgot about that.
He was out yesterday.
He was?
He was out today as
And
well.
he was walking over the floor.
Oh yeah, I remember now.
And you almost said to him,
Flat bird.
"Oh, hey, birds on the floor."
Oh look, that's his face on YouTube again.
Oh, you're nice. My face isn't worthy on YouTube.
Like my lovely puppy. He's doing nothing now. We got this purchase from the cage and this. That food was a fantastic.
Oh, and that
Bobby.
purse we made, didn't we? The one
Yeah.
underneath Bobby.
Yeah, we did.
With the key.
Poppit's food balls are so much better than Bobby's. You know what? Bobby just he grabs a little food, chucks it everywhere. Sometimes if he's in the mood of doing it and he can't. His water looks a bit bubbly for some reason.
Bobby.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it?
Bobby.
Look at him sleep. And look at Bobby sleep, which is suddenly
They're
asleep.
both sleeping.
A second ago they were tweeting. Yeah.
It's fine, isn't it?
I think he likes that big hoop on the top of his cage.
When I'm on band, I want to make a game video.
I'm gonna put this on YouTube, okay?
I want to do some editing.
That video looks very low quality.
Yes.
Yes, it is. It's not so high quality as my other video because it's going on Thomas's phone, which is low quality.
Your phone is the exact same, Kim.
Yes. But still, that phone does much better, right?
You use this camera, don't you?
Yeah, I'm supposed to do that.
Well, I'll see you later.
You're doing a bird vlog.
Bird vlog.
Vlog. Sam, what's the difference from a vlog and a blog?
Vlog is video.
I think I'll put another video on some
Yeah.
high detail.
Kim's doing a bird vlog.
Next time I think I'll put a high detail,
HD.
HD video about 6K video around it.
Do you mean 1080p or 720?
7 something, not proper high quality.
720. I think it's 720.
This is a mess up video where we're talking about social damage.
I mean, imagine like, if the Stone Ages had
They somehow go quiet in a few seconds. And they
Kim,
start talking.
imagine, do you know what would happen if the Stone Ages had high quality videos? I mean, if the Stone Ages had technology and the ability to make videos.
No.
It would probably be like videos with 4 or 9 pixels.
These are the favourite toys in the photo one. The Poppit has a bit.
That's a nice toy.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Bye, Sam. Nice mess up video about the birdie. I like this shot because it's like their house. So
What bird breeder were they from again?
I don't know. I know her name, Marion or something? What? It wasn't a good breeder, but they're still good pets. And I'm standing in between them so they can't see each other anymore. And I'm in Poppit's cage, so I'm making him uncomfortable.
Yeah, you should move away because
He can be picked up here. You've been picking him up by this. How much easier than carrying him?
you got this cage from eBay, didn't you?
Yeah, a very cheap cage.
Can you hold the stuff with little Luke and the 2 purchases?
They came with this. Oops, sorry for whacking you in the face. I didn't really do that.
Luke toy.
This one. I got this. These characters. And this. That. I'm moving up and down a little bit to show you. These three come with them. I stuck them in. They came with, as you can see, there's like little metal goldy thing on the bottom so I can't put his own foot. The good one.
Kim,
And water thingies. And I've got these flaps over there. Take them out. I like these water thingies. And I like this so small that you can just carry it as you look.
ooh, it's flying. What an amazing thing, a bird is flying.
Okay. It's so light as well. He's alright.
$29.95. Those are just random.
I was just telling you that you can carry it. That's how we got on here. Didn't we? Like in the sunny big window. Little birdie.
Kim, I got a tip for your video making things. Kim.
Winging him.
Kim.
What?
If it's like boring and just silent,
Yeah.
just say something. Just anything really about the news or facts or something like that.
That's what my video. Biggest really too fast.
I watch your videos, it's you watching them, and like every 5 minutes say something.
Video's swinging a bit too fast. He's enjoying it.
Attention, Bobby.
He's swinging to himself anyway.
I fucking like it.
Here's
Before
Bob.
he gets scared.
Here's the ugly and the most grumpiest birdie you want to know. Whenever you put your finger in, Tom, move your camera here. Whenever you put your finger in, he looks so. He's very scared of the camera, by the way, and he has it quite close. It looks like a lovely bird on some of my videos. Don't attack me. Yes, you're evil. He's pure evil.
I want to see if I can tickle him.
I don't know. He doesn't know you can tickle him that often. It's just, I want something. Hello.
Bobby, you don't want any tickles now? No?
When we first saw Poppit in this cage, he got mad. Poppit did.
You want to tickle Bobby? Yes, he does. Yes, he does.
We got one
like to
evil
tickle.
bird and one nice lovely bird.
Whenever Bobby's like in a bad mood, you can just stroke his head softly and he'll want to tickle.
Yeah, no,
Just come
he
to him
doesn't
slowly.
allow me to do anything with him anymore. I think it's because I cut his wings. Foodie, you want to play with little foodies? I'm looking for foodies. He wants it.
It's a Poppit birdie.
There's millet in there.
Poppit
I
birdie.
stuffed millet in there, so it's really hard for them to get it.
Yeah, we've got a big bag of millet
He
and bird food.
loves it. Even though that's just easy millet to get on the bottom, he'll go for the toy. And he just carries on keeping all that. Non-stop. Apart from this one. He's so cute.
Kim,
Yeah?
I can't remember.
Really?
Yeah, alright.
A second. So this is a lovely, sweet, cuddly bird. And that over there is a horrible, angry little thing.
No.
That was a good shot for you opening his mouth at you.
Cockatiels are better companions.
Yeah, but he's
just
not. He's just a grumpy thing. He's attacking that. He's not from there just a second ago. Why don't you get the millet that's on the bottom of the cage? You're very smart. He's smarter than Bobby, it seems like, wasn't he? That's I'm bored.
Bobby's supposed to be smart.
Yes, he looks like he has a bigger brain.
Definitely not.
Poppit always finds stuff out easy.
You couldn't even figure out how to get out of the cage a while ago.
I like this. I don't like the open play that. Open play. Poppit won't come out.
Yeah, what makes this absolute cage is like a little thing.
Yeah, no, it's a
A
little
little-
kid because it just goes up and down very easily.
A little
I
turning
like the
thing.
heart. It looks like a good door.
They should add something like this so you can just lock it and then it won't open. Sorry, Poppy.
I'm just closing it again. We do everything with pegs that we can see. There's a peg to stop that one from wobbling.
Oh, and
Oh, yeah,
by the way,
film me.
don't make your videos too long like this one.
Yeah, this one is just a stupid long thing and very boring. And there he's doing that weird thing again, which nobody knows what he's doing. That's why we call him Batbird. This is the reason why we call him Batbird. And I don't think any other bird is more of a Batbird than us.
Oh, and he like climbs on top of the cage here.
Oh yeah, puts his legs like here. It's really weird. He puts his head through his legs.
He basically climbs up here, goes up here, then puts his
Really?
head through his legs.
Yes. You should put a video of that. Oh, he's sleeping.
That is from the
He's sleeping on this. Oh, he's falling. He fell on his head. He never learns from falling on his head.
I think
Can
he
you go
does.
swingy swing?
Probably doesn't feel that much.
Can you go swingy swing? I like the bird. It goes like.
Kim, you should do like a vlog each week, make a video about the birdies.
I just go around.
No, do it like each week.
Mm.
Yeah. It get more interesting.
Do you think these pets, Poppit pets, are more comfortable?
I really don't know, Kim. I have no idea. I don't think it matters much
Sweet
either.
little twisty play.
Shut up, Bobby.
He will never shut up. He's constantly tweeting.
I can make him shut up.
Oh, you're scaring him. Although he's an evil bird, I just don't like him to be scared. Yeah, I'm like motherly about it, Daddy.
Yeah, you're motherly about everything.
Yeah. Hate wiggling. If you wiggle. Poppit is less scared of the camera. I think it's because he was hand-bred on me. I had this on my video before. He was hand-bred, but that one wasn't, and he is evil, and this one is nice.
Oh, and always have a subtitle to your videos.
What's that?
Not just a subtitle, but you have like
Description.
the sort of. Yeah. I mean, like you have a title like vlog number 2, and then have an extra title, which is I don't know.
Bobby's eating. Bobby's
If people
eating.
want to watch
Film Bobby eating. He's eating.
Why is that so
I
important?
don't know. Maybe he has never seen a bird eat. An angry bird, at least. He's scared of me. He has a lovely big cage.
Yeah, and it's
He'll
always.
fly out, Tom. If you don't be careful, he actually flies out sometimes.
Yeah, well, I'm not letting him. You're a pretty bird.
He's a new
Oh, you don't want to step
thing.
up, Bobby? Yes, no, choose.
He
Yeah.
wants to step up, but he doesn't want to come with you. It's really weird. He steps up, he says,
What do you want, Bobby? You want to step down?
I get maybe two places from the outside garden. Don't know, even though this is proper good. They're a bit worse than the others, as you can see.
Yeah, and they
bit
have a
worse.
key on the back. And it.
Yeah, no pooey. Because I don't clean the cage often. And I'm the only one who cleans the cages. And I do it in 2 weeks at a time. I'm supposed to do 1 week at a
Close up on Poppit.
See, if you can see, this cage is a lot cleaner than that one.
Looking at the phone.
And you're like, what the hell are you doing? Now that I'm bored.
Yeah, this is where you like start talking about something random, like
Yeah.
I want pizza.
You know that video?
We haven't had pizza in a while, have we?
Now that video is bad to watch, not the tester thing, but the other one, where
Eve
he
blog?
talks about rubbish.
Eve blog?
Yeah, might be something like that.
EV blog.
Oh no, not that one, not EV blog.
What is
There's
it then?
something else that I watch, and they just start talking about something totally different than they're actually supposed to talk about.
Tutorials. Yeah, Kim, that's totally fine. Like, if your video gets boring.
Yeah, our video's pretty boring.
Like, I want to get off my balance and make a video of a game like Team Fortress 2 or Minecraft.
Oh, look at Poppy. He's eating something which is not millet. Because it doesn't have any millet on there. He's playing. I think he's playing. I want to get Bobby to play. You don't see Bobby playing often. Bobby doesn't play.
Oh, he's a
Bobby
little
is
boring,
boring. Because when you touch him, you go, and you gotta go away.
Cockatiel can be a good pet though, if you have him on his own and give him his attention and his teachings.
Yeah.
And he doesn't.
He was actually younger than that one.
Yeah, Poppit's older.
Yeah. Little one is older than the
Aren't
big
you,
one.
Poppit? Aren't you, Poppit?
I bet that he's smaller than any other budgie you can probably see on the internet. This is actually cage for. Don't do that.
You can't like check it out with one hand.
I know. You have to do this.
I want to feed some.
Wait.
Oh, it's the same food, isn't it? Yeah.
That's a bit weird.
What are these green seeds in here?
That's pretty good stuff. That's a good stuff for him. He's a special diet for that. This week, remember?
It
You
does.
just take it out like this.
Oh yeah, that fruity
And it
stuff.
flaps back, so. I like these. These are cool.
Put it back.
Oh well. Well. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. I will.
No, I did the rest of that. This is like you know that coolest video you saw? I don't know what it's called. The coolest video about Twilight. It was really funny about the kids saying, but I just got this remember. The kids saying what she thought Twilight was about. Like,
I have no idea what you're talking about.
I know.
But do you want this cake?
It doesn't even make sense.
It does.
See, this is all he ever does. he sings, he beats
And he's
nuts.
playing. He's asking that toy for a tickle.
Yes. He asks for tickles, he sings, he's nasty to us. And I'm sorry, we don't really like
Where's my chocolate cake?
See, we haven't played the pinky game.
Where's my chocolate cake? Where's
Oh,
my
yeah,
chocolate
he's getting
cake?
a chocolate cake or something. After
You mean this chocolate cake? That's my piece. You want this cake? I want it. You want this cake?
You're getting really boring.
You want this cake? You want this cake? You want this cake?
Poppit!
Just say I want it.
I want it.
You want this cake?
Yes.
You want this cake?
No.
You don't get it, do you?
I don't.
You should search it up. What are some good videos on YouTube that we can reference or something?
Some videos I watched, and they just talk about rubbish like we do. We're not even talking about birds, but we actually were going to talk about puppets doing that weird hump or something.
Yeah, Kim, that's why I said, like, you have your main title for your video, and then you have, like, an extra little title for video ideas. Like, this could be bird vlog number 3, and then video ideas.
Watch my videos. Together. I only have 3 of
Oh,
them.
that's my proof.
I only have
Got
3
my
of them. But they're totally rubbish, and I just want views. Or subscribe. Subscribe is better. I just want subscribers to prove that I'm better than it. My followers What? No, it's a well.
How do you have to stick it up into the camera? I can't see your hands in the way. You picked up the camera.
No, this is me with the camera. Sorry for a second. I need to open this.
Give me my phone back.
Yes. I want to show you the diet for this. I do a week where I actually give him a good diet, and one other when I change it, it's just seeds. This is a good diet.
Sandwich.
This
Nom, nom.
is like this is like fruity stuff. And there's some normal seeds.
And a mixture of Poppit and Bobby seeds.
Yes, and
I mean,
got these.
cocktail and
I
budgie.
put these in there. I don't even know if they're supposed to have it or not, but it's
I didn't see.
tasty.
I didn't see.
They're eatable!
Well, I think it was sunflower seeds.
Wow. It has the taste of these. If you
Sunflower seeds?
smell these. It has the taste of them. They don't taste very nice for me.
It's a Bobby bird. Don't be afraid, Bobby. It's really dark here.
If you want to get some, this is what I got.
Hmm? Yeah, you want?
I just... Wait, point the camera.
Wait. I need his attention. You scared him by making noise.
Yeah, but he's... Oh yeah, he's also frightened of everything.
I will make...
He's not bonded with us.
Hey, my finger's gone red. Perhaps it stops at exactly 30 minutes, which is just 5 seconds.
This is what I got for my
Sorry,
birthday.
2 seconds.
It's like 3